Hello everyone and welcome back to another new video. So here I'm gonna show you how to leave Notion Workspace. So open the Notion application and from here go to the setting option, and here you can see this people option, or in your Notion application you may see members. Whatever you see, select this option, and here you will find your email, or in here you will find all of the members that you have added including yourself. So at the right side you can see these three dot options, which is means leave workspace, and if you tap on this third option you can see remove from workspace. So that means this is the other members that you have add in your Notion. So what will happen if you leave your Notion workspace? So as a owner, if you leave your Notion workspace, you will lose access to all content as like pages, subpages, project, database, whatever is included in your Notion workspace, and you won't be able to view or edit any of the workspace documents unless someone re-invites you again. And you will also stop receiving notifications related to the workspace. So that means your personal data in the workspace, such as tasks or notes, will be still visible to the others who remain in the workspace, but you will not be able to interact with them. So that means, as you can see, this is the member of this workspace. So if you leave this workspace, this person will be able to see the things that included in your Notion workspace, but you are not able to do anything else. So if you simply tap on this leave workspace options, and from here you can choose any of the option and select the continue, you will leave the workspace and you are not able to do anything, then you will lose all of your access in this workspace. So you must be careful before leave your Notion workspace. And that's all for today's video. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any confusion and keep in touch with us.